our Offbeat Mandarin lessons for absolute beginners. I am Leo. In this video, we're going to learn the basic Mandarin grammar of how to ask yes or no questions. First things first, what even is a yes or no question? Let's start with a simple example in English. She likes dogs. That's a statement, just giving us info, right? It's pretty straightforward, and it ends with a period. Now look at this one. Does she like dogs? Boom! That's a yes or no question. It's asking for a clear answer. Either yes, she likes dogs, or no, she doesn't like dogs. The key here is the word order. In English, we flip the word order when we turn a statement into a question. We move the verb to the front, like this. Statement, she likes dogs. Subject, verb, object. Question, does she like dogs? Verb, subject, verb, object. It's a bit of a shuffle, right? But don't stress, we will keep this simple. Now let's take that same sentence and look at how it works in Mandarin. She likes dogs. 她喜欢狗. 她喜欢狗. 她 means she or her. 喜欢 means likes. 狗 means dogs. Just like English, Mandarin follows a subject, verb, object, SVO structure for statements. Easy enough. Now let's turn it into a yes or no question. Does she like dogs? 她喜欢狗吗? 她喜欢狗吗? Ma is a magic word. It works as a question indicator, like a question mark, but written in Chinese character. Just add that little ma and boom, it's a question. We can find out for a yes or no question, the structure stays the same. 她喜欢狗吗? The subject 她 comes first, followed by the verb 喜欢, the object 狗, and the question indicator 吗 at the end. Here's the trick. The word order stays the same, SVO, even in a question. This is the difference between Chinese and English. The word order for yes or no questions never change in Mandarin. Never. You may have already found out. To turn a statement sentence into a yes or no question, we just need to add a magic word, ma, at the end. Shall we do some practice? I will give you some words, and you try to form a statement. Ready? Here are some words. I will read them out loud. 咖啡, 咖啡, 妈妈, 妈妈, 喜欢, 喜欢. Can you make a statement sentence with these words? You got it. The answer is 妈妈喜欢咖啡. Now let's level up. Do you remember the magic word? Can we turn that sentence into a yes or no question? Does mom like coffee? Yes, the answer is 妈妈喜欢咖啡吗? Can't be easier, right? Let's do a recap of the lesson today. First, yes or no questions are those can only be answered with yes or no. To turn a statement into a yes or no question, you just need to add the magic word ma at the end. Easy peasy. Now you're all set to start asking questions in Mandarin. Thanks for watching and congratulations for staying till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Offbeat Mandarin. You're doing great. Keep it up. I'm Leo, and I will see you in the next lesson.